A yellow machine is operating at total capacity. The world's largest wheat harvester. We are delighted to continue to present you with the best agricultural machines, with innovative and efficient solutions only available at Framing Technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get exciting experiences and update the latest information from us. Now, let's explore and learn the unique applications of technology in agricultural production. Let's start the day with this special machine. The Checky and Magley Triumph Modular Vegetable Grower is a state-of-the-art device designed to make growing vegetables easier and save farmers time. The machine is equipped with a 10-rotating tray that makes transplanting easier. It is specially designed for leafy vegetables that grow heavily, such as tomatoes and cabbage. With its modular and independent implant, the machine guarantees high output and a standard of operator comfort. This machine is a great choice for farmers who want to save time and labor costs when growing vegetables. Do you know its name? With this machine, planting trees becomes simpler than ever. And here is a great harvester called the Weisener Lection 8900. This giant machine is one of the specialized equipment for harvesting wheat in the field. Produced by CLAS, this machine is equipped with many modern and smart features to help users harvest rice quickly and efficiently. It is equipped with a powerful and advanced engine, which increases the ability to operate on all terrains. With a cutting length of 7.5 meters, the Weisener Lection 8900 is capable of harvesting rice quickly and efficiently. This device is also equipped with a dust filter and a cooling system, which limits dust and ensures continuous operation without overheating. The machine is also equipped with an intelligent data collection and storage system, allowing users to monitor and analyze the harvesting process in detail and efficiently. This is one of the special features of this device, which helps users improve the overall management, control of the wheat harvesting process. Leave your thoughts in the comments section below to let us know. The advent of modern machinery has greatly reduced the labor force of farmers. The MH Double Harvester is one of the machines used to harvest tulips, lilies, and many other crops. The machine is capable of lifting 2 beds of 150 centimeters at a time, helping to increase harvesting efficiency. The machine is equipped with a 150 centimeters wide rotating conveyor belt, which makes it possible to complete the harvest of a large number of flowers in a short time. Do you want to own this convenient machine? Farmer Jack is passionate about farming and has devoted his life to growing and tending crops. He used various machines to make the job easier, but none satisfied him. After many days of searching and comparing, Jack decided to buy the Massey Ferguson 188 plow. This is a smart plow with advanced technology, helping Jack save time and effort when working in the field. With this machine, Jack was able to plow the ground and sow seeds easily and quickly. As time went on, this amazing machine became an integral part of his life. Jaber van der Sloot uses a variety of machines and equipment to harvest tulip bulbs, including plows such as Fendt 410, Fendt 409. These machines were chosen for their versatility and efficiency when operating in the tulip fields. In particular, the Fendt 410 and Fendt 409 are designed to be flexible and precise on the difficult terrain of the tulip fields. With a combination of machinery and professional harvesting techniques, Jaber van der Sloot has become one of the leading tulip producers in the Netherlands. The 4K Euretiger sugar beet harvester is one of the specialized machines widely used in the agricultural industry. Designed by leading experts, this machine is capable of harvesting and processing sugar beets with high efficiency and reliability. The yellow monster is equipped with many premium features to ensure optimal performance. The machine is equipped with a powerful motor, an automatic steering system, and an electronic control system that helps the machine operate accurately and stably. With advanced technology, this machine is capable of harvesting and processing sugar beets with high speed and productivity. It has the ability to dig deep into the ground to quickly and conveniently pull radishes, and has the ability to separate radishes from the soil and remove impurities that may affect product quality. It uses high-quality materials and is finely crafted to ensure durability and reliability. As one of the most important tools of a farmer when harvesting sugar beets, it helps to optimize production and increase labor efficiency. Let's end today's video with a rock collector called the Elho Scorpio 550. With its sturdy and robust design, the machine can collect rocks and other materials from the soil, improving productivity and saving farmers time. The machine is equipped with powerful grabbers that can be rotated and varied in width to collect stones and other materials of different sizes. Besides, the machine is also equipped with a filter that prevents dust and other small particles from damaging the engine. Looking at the working results of this machine, it is really a perfect choice for farms or agricultural areas that need to collect rocks or other materials from the soil, ensuring increased production efficiency and reduced time and labor. At the end of this video, we have seen the modern technologies in the field of agriculture. These devices not only help increase productivity and efficiency, but also reduce labor and optimize farm management. If you have an unsatisfactory opinion, please leave a comment, discuss. For now, take care of your health and see you tomorrow. Welcome to Framing Technology channel, a place to share knowledge about leading technology and machines in many fields. In this article, we will learn about top-notch agricultural machines such as harvesters, tractors, and giant plows. Let's explore and discover these machines' remarkable technologies and features. This top-of-the-line farming machine. The process of harvesting lavender has undergone significant changes in recent times, and one of the most notable advances is the combination of a digger and reaper. This excavator is used to dig flower plants out of the soil. It can explore more than 500 routes per day. The reaper will run right behind to pick up the plants. It took Mr. Walters 10 months to build a custom tractor like this. The combination of excavator and harvester has improved the efficiency of lavender harvesting, saving time and labor and reducing errors in the harvesting process. A special machine. Do you know the exact name of this machine? Let's continue to a blue tractor called ARDCOK 4x4. This is a multi-purpose trailer designed to operate in the harshest conditions. This machine has a powerful diesel engine and a full-time four-wheel drive system to help the car operate stably and flexibly on all terrains. Navigating quickly through forests full of dry tree trunks, steep terrain, or steep climbs. There seems to be no terrain or surface that can make this tractor difficult. ACWSIN Multipack C14 to 2015 is an advanced and modern hay baler used to pack and stack hay during harvesting. The machine is designed to minimize loss and improve productivity during hay packaging and transportation. This machine uses a push mechanism to collect and pack hay. Small bundles of grass are pushed into the packing system, which is compacted and packed into large piles. This reduces the time it takes to transport and store hay. The sugar beets have begun to be harvested, and that is when the giant machine comes into operation. The Ropa Tiger 6 is one of the pinnacle farming machines made by Lou Nessler in Ramerskirchen, with the ability to pull radishes out of the ground with an engine of almost 800 horsepower. With a special design, this machine is capable of harvesting and transporting sugar beets in large quantities quickly and efficiently. Thanks to the powerful motor, the machine can work continuously for a long time without interruption. Notably, this machine also has the ability to adjust the height of the parts to harvest radishes deep underground. It looks like this machine can harvest anything. Griggs Farms LLC Harvester 2018 is multifunctional agricultural machinery designed to harvest crops such as corn, soybeans, and cotton. With a powerful motor and intelligent operation system, this machine can work quickly and efficiently during harvesting. It can automatically recognize and harvest different crops correctly. In addition, this machine also can adjust the height and width of the reaping tray to suit each crop. Do you want to own a versatile machine like this? Please don't go anywhere. Let's continue to come to other impressive machines. How long would it take you to finish the shovel in this 640-acre field without the help of this giant machine? Produced by SM Fab, the SM Fab Lister 72 is one of the most modern bed-making machines on the market. The machine is 72 feet, about 22 meters, wide, with a design that includes several key components such as the tiller seater and fertilizer unit. These devices are designed to work efficiently on difficult soils, ensuring high precision and accuracy in trenching. Let's see how this unique machine works. It is the first choice for agricultural producers in raising beds and promoting the development of the farming industry. Plowing work will become easier with the help of large machines like these. Sharp blades with near absolute precision, 12 perfectly plowed crop beds undamaged. This is one of the great tools that every farmer wants to own. Technology plays a very important role in modern agriculture. Help increase productivity, improve product quality, reduce costs, increase competitiveness. Technology helps farmers save time and effort in the process of cultivating, caring for crops, and harvesting, while improving product quality, minimizing risks from the environment, weather, and diseases. The application of technology in agriculture is becoming an unstoppable trend and brings many benefits to both farmers and consumers. One autumn morning, in a cotton field in Texas, USA, John Deere CS 690 cotton stripper is harvesting cotton. The machine started to work, shaking the cotton fields. The large fan blades rotate, separate the cotton fibers from the cotton body, and then bring it up inside to separate the cotton seeds and cotton. Hands need to gently hold and push the cotton back. The cotton is pressed into large cotton rolls for easy transport. All the harvesting process is very quick and perfect. John Deere CS 690 cotton stripper can be seen as an expert on this farm. Its influence has brought great benefits to the agricultural production of farmers. This is also the last machine I would like to recommend to all of you who are watching this video. See you all in the next videos on Framing Technology channel. If you like these machines, please click like, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive the earliest notifications for my next videos.